Meaning of evacuation.
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 Evacuation. Evacuation refers to the process of moving people or animals from one place to another, typically due to an emergency or dangerous situation. The result of an evacuation is that those who are being moved are relocated to a safe location where they are out of harm's way. This can involve transporting individuals by foot, vehicle, or other means of transportation to a designated area. Evacuations can occur for a variety of reasons, such as natural disasters, terrorist threats, or industrial accidents. The main objective of an evacuation is to protect people and minimize the risk of harm or injury.